Spidey. So just my regular routine today. Just woke up, so get my workout done. So I'm doing my shoulder today. I didn't want to go to the gym today, so I might just work out at home and just that's my house, guy. Just it's nothing too much. I'm gonna do some deep cleaning around the house today and just yeah, this my little house, a classroom for the kid. On the weekend. This is my house right here, guys. So and better go outside. So I just buy some dirt today too. So put some dirt in so I could. The rainy season about to come. So it's about to be rainy season right now. It's raining right now, so it's rainy season. So I gotta put some dirt on. So when I bring my car in here, so my car won't be stuck in the mud. See all the mud right there? Yeah. So this around my neighborhood right here, guys. Ooh, the helicopter. It's weird to hear a helicopter here in Laos. So, yeah, it's too a mango season too. So there's it's like a whole bunch of mango growing right now. Just go through my day, Neighbor right there. Yeah, let me get some workout in, Gotta hit my shoulder today, so it's kind of dark out here. So let me turn on the window. Let me open the window and just check me out. Open the window, get some light out here. Ooh, get that shoulder going. Let's turn this over. It's a little quick shoulder. Just need to work on my shoulder. So, this is what I do all day today. So I was going to clean the house. I just did some housework, but some more to do. But my backyard, trying to get the leaf cleaned up because it's winter time. So I rake all that leaf right there. See it? Yeah. I gotta do some more back there too. So gotta get all the leaf cleaned up because it's right now it's winter time here in Laos, but winter time, so the leaf a lot. So I'm gonna burn them leaf up. So just the leaf though, no plastic, no nothing. Look at all the mango that I have in my backyard though. You see? Let's go look at the mango. Oh, look at that. See all the mango up there? It's supposed to be the size of my fist. This mango right here. And see all this on the bottom? The kid become mess with it. So I gotta keep an eye on it. So when the kid comes, they don't mess with this mango right here. They like to eat it with gel because it's sour right now, and we can't let it grow. There's some good mango too right here, and this is all my plant right here. My plant, my flower. I love flower. And my rose, it died. Cause I didn't take care of it. My rose dead already. So. There's another mango right there. I don't know what kind of mango this is. Ooh. Yep, you see it? Yeah, can't wait till it go. So this is my backyard, guys. This is my house right here. Do some house cleaning. Yeah, I just been gone so much, and this is where I wash my dishes, though. I mean, right here, I wash my dishes right here. I just got more dishes and oh, alert! Keep going. Neighbor called me to go eat, and here's my my restroom. I just hooked up that shower head right there, so I can have warm water. But I enjoy taking cold water. It's cold water. The water from the well. So that's my restroom right there, and I got my own dish laundry. My own laundry, so I wash my own clothes. So, I hook up all. I did all that by myself. All that light, and I hook up on them. The neighbor just called me, go eat. Like, it's alright. I'm about to order something to eat too. And yeah, I gotta get my house cleaned up. I'll probably order something right now. I want to eat. Let's see what I want to eat though. I want to eat some. I think some gang head. Some rice, and see, in Laos you got panda food. I think it's the app that you could call them, order, and they bring it to your house. Let me see. I'm gonna get some. I'm gonna get some gang head, and some cow chow. So in Laos you got panda food. You could order to bring to your house. Hello, but you want that? Oh, gang hết lại bà. Đâu rồi gang hết này. Đây cấp thọt khay xayผักบง. Đây cấp khẩu chả. Khẩu chả 2 อันก็ได้ ไปส่งมาส่งหลายอยู่วะแล้วจะส่งราคาเท่าไหร่ก็สิฝากเงินไปให้เจ้าในโฟนเด้อ QR ไปให้โอเคขอบใจเด้อ so yeah I just got me some gang head, some mushroom. It's like a mushroom soup, eat with rice. They put seasoning in it, tastes so good. And some egg with hello? Rồi, được chào. Ok. Đây là phạt QR mà hết đấy, xong lên bàn. Yeah, and I got water Spanish with egg in it, because I remember my mom used to make me water Spanish with egg when I was little. So I was like, enjoy eating that. That's like my favorite dish here in Laos. I don't know what they call it. It's called omelet, egg omelet. I'll show you when it get here. So yeah, let's get some workout. Yeah, do some more workout. Oh. Yeah, I just talked to my daughter today too, so she always like, miss you, daddy. Oh, miss you. I don't know what to do. Get that shoulder going. My daughter call me every day, so I miss you. I don't know when we're gonna get to see each other again, but I don't know. Hopefully soon. But I told him to get do passport and trying to save up some money and well, I need to start doing something. Start doing something. Just gotta come up with some ideas. Focused, stay consistent. I need to focus on myself more, because lately I just, especially when you have a lot of friends, you have a lot of friends and they want to go do this, do that, and next thing you know, your whole day is over, your whole week, your whole month, and you have planned to do something like, I want to open like a little stand for myself, like at the river, the Mekong. By the Mekong, at nighttime, because a lot of tourists, so I was thinking about opening like a little stand, selling water and stuff, and see all the tourists come and just start talking to them, Tourists, they got a lot of foreign, a lot of visitors, so that's what I was thinking. Just sell simple stuff, sell French fry, or maybe just water, beer, or whatever, just make my content over there too, That's my plan, but I need to focus on that. Because procrastination is a big fail in everybody. You put off, you say you're going to do this, and I'm going to do it tomorrow. I'm going to do it the next day, I'm going to do it next week. I'm going to do it next year. Your whole year passed by and you didn't do nothing. Yeah, so, we got to focus. Since I came to Laos, I need to focus on saving money. Trying to bring my kid here, my wife, she want to come, and the kid, and but I gotta build, I gotta have stable income coming in. I can't bring my family here, and I know I still don't have nothing, so just gotta figure out some way to make money consistent, and so my family don't have to worry about it. The cost of living and a lot of things, it's not too much. It's cheap around here. Like, I could sell my house from the state, sell my house. I have a food truck, I could sell my food truck in my house, and a car, sell everything, and just have my family over here with me. But we can't just bring money out here and then we're not gonna make no money. What happen 5 years from now, 10 years from now, we don't have our own business, our own stable income coming in, then it's not gonna be good. So yeah, I just need to figure something. I just need to be alone by myself at home so I can think more. If you out every day, you do this and that every day, you don't think too much. So I like to have a quiet time by myself so I could read my books, so I could focus more on myself. You focus better when you're by yourself. You focus better when you lock yourself in the room, in the closet, without any outside world bugging you. Too much everything out there, so sometimes I just want to go in the wood by myself, just stay in the wood for like a couple months. I think that's a good thing to do. But, some egg omelet. Got me some rice, some egg omelet with some water Spanish and some mushroom soup. And my dad just got here, so I didn't get a chance to. So he said gonna bring 3 of them loads. So my dad just got here, so we want 3 loads. So I'm gonna fill that bottle up because when it get rain, that get really bottle. I can't even bring my car in there. So yeah, it get rain, it get very bad. So I gotta cover that up. So. And a mango tree. Make your mouth water. Mango. This is my front yard. Oh, the mango start growing too, and that little one right there too. See that little one right there? Growing too. Look at that. Wow. Well, let's go eat now. I mean, it's my lunchtime right now. I must do more cleaning to do some house sort and do some yard work and a lot of stuff need to be done. But you know, let's get it done. Bamboo soup, but the mushroom soup. My rice right there, delicious. Well, let's enjoy a meal then. It's my daily life in Laos. So in Laos we got food panda. Food panda is like it's like Uber Eats or DoorDash. They bring food to you. I paid $2 million for this one, not $2 million, $200K. $200K around $10. Bought it. A little mushroom, pumpkin, yeah, pumpkin. There's a pumpkin leaf right there, the baby leaf, the pumpkin. You can eat that too. Doing some yard work, you know, raking the leaf and the dirt on. Dirt coming in too. So I think my dirt coming in too. And my dirt coming. More dirt. I'm trying to fill this puddle up when it's rain, get really bad. I got my dirt truck right here. Do some yard work, house maintain today. Yep. Got more dirt. Gonna fill all this dirt up. Making two like little hill, so I'll bring my car in here. It'll be easy, you know. I got 3 of them. It's like 500k each truck. So I got 3 of them. I'm paying 1,600,000 keep. Yeah. Fun for me. Right here. Leaning to go this side. 3 pole line right there too. See that? Anh này cảเอาใส่หันกันไล่ใส่ตอกเลยว่ามันตามไปวะเพราะเขาเสียเองหรอกใส่หันกันไล่ใส่หันแหละใส่หันสุดท้ายขอบใจเด้อทำทางเลยยิ้วเสาเนี่ยทางครับ
ขอบคุณเด้อพ่อแม่พี่น้องที่ตามเข้ามาto be continued on the next video ตัวนี้มันยาวเลย Thanks everybody for following, like, comment, subscribe. Catch me in the next video. This video is to be continued. So, see y'all.